Plaid Patrol. We need your help. We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude,
integrity,
determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Hey, are you gonna sign up for any of the clubs? I wanna do Interact, NHS, and Scouts en Acción.
Why are you gonna do that? Clubs are a waste of your time.
What do you mean? The clubs on this campus are cool.
If this school isn't cool, the clubs definitely aren't cool. Let's just go.
I heard that someone was not wanting to participate in clubs and show pride in their school.
It was them!
This is stupid. I don't want to be part of a dumb club.
Come on, dude, it's fun.
She's right. Participating in your school clubs can be lots of fun, and it shows you take pride in your school.
But I don't take pride in my school. This school sucks.
Maybe if you sign up for a club, you'd enjoy school more.
Well, I've already seen all the clubs and there's none that seem to interest me.
Maybe you should look to see if there's any other clubs going. What are you interested in?
Well, I don't know.
You should try drama.
Okay, where do I sign up?
Right over here.
If you want to join drama or any of these other clubs, you can sign up here.
I signed up for the astronomy club, soccer, swimming, National Honor Society, math club. And if you see a club that you don't like, you can start a club of your own.
Oh, really?
Yeah, being a part of your school really makes it a better place for everyone, including yourself.
Thanks, Plaid Patrol.